Today we are discussing the CCNA-based interview questions and answers for Cisco, implementing Cisco application-centric infrastructure ACI 300-620. You can download the complete list of CCNA-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on implementing Cisco application-centric infrastructure is: what is Cisco ACI and how does it differ from traditional networking? Your answer should be Cisco ACI, that is Application Centric Infrastructure, is a software defined networking SDN solution designed to provide a centralized policy driven automation for managing and deploying applications in data center networks. Unlike traditional networking, ACI abstracts the network hardware and operates on a policy model enabling automation, scalability, and simplified operations. Our next interview question is: can you explain the concept of application network profiles ANP in Cisco ACI? Your answer should be Application Network Profiles ANP in Cisco ACI are policy constructs used to define and manage the requirements of applications. ANPs consist of endpoint groups, EPGs, contracts, and filters, providing a way to define application specific connectivity and policy requirements independently of the underlying network infrastructure. Our next interview question is: what are tenant and context in Cisco ACI? Your answer should be in Cisco ACI, a tenant is a logical construct that represents a unit of isolation for policy enforcement and administration. It provides a way to segment resources within the ACI fabric. A context, also known as a VRF, that is virtual routing and forwarding, defines the layer 3 boundary within a tenant and determines the scope of layer 3 routing. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of application policy infrastructure controller APIC in Cisco ACI. Your answer should be the Application Policy Infrastructure Controller APIC is the centralized management and automation component of Cisco ACI. It provides a single point of control for configuring, managing, and monitoring the entire ACI fabric. APIC utilizes a policy driven model to simplify network operations and ensure consistency across the infrastructure. Our next interview question is: what is the role of the Cisco ACI fabric in the data center network? Your answer should be Cisco ACI fabric is the physical underlay network infrastructure that forms the backbone of the ACI solution. It consists of Cisco Nexus switches and uses leaf-spine architecture to provide high-performance, low-latency connectivity between endpoints. The ACI fabric delivers network programmability and automation capabilities to support the requirements of modern data center environments. Our next interview question is, how does Cisco ACI facilitate microsegmentation of applications? Your answer should be Cisco ACI enables microsegmentation of applications by leveraging application network profiles, ANPs, and contracts. ANPs defines endpoint groups, EPGs, for different components of an application, while contracts specify communication policies between these EPGs. By enforcing granular policies at the EPG level, ACI facilitates segmentation and isolation of application traffic within the data center network. If you are preparing for any Cisco-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.